Hey guys, so a lot of people ask me the question why their microphone of their Bluetooth headphones does not work when they're using the wired connection together with their computer. So in this video we're going to explain to you why that is and also how to fix this problem. So for these types of headphones, the microphone signal is usually not transmitted from the headphones through the wire to the computer. So when we take a close look at the aux jack on both ends of the cable, then you can see here the one end that plugs into the computer that has 4 paths. So from left to right, when we look at this here, we have first the microphone, then the ground, and then we have the right audio channel, and then the furthest to the right is the left audio channel. But when we take a look at the aux jack that plug into the headphones, then we see only 3 paths, so ground, right channel, and left channel. So that means that this cable is not going to transmit our microphone signal to the computer. But now let us have a look at a different headphone cable where the microphone ends up working. And if we take a close look here, then you find here this little piece of plastic right in between. And that is actually a microphone. And that means instead of using the microphones that are built into the headphones, this cable comes with its own microphone and we're using that instead when we're using the wired connection. So now let us have a look at what happens with the computer as we're using the two different types of cables. First, we're going to use the cable that has the microphone built in. And then on our computer, we're going to check the sound settings screen, especially here the input portion. And then when we're going to take a look at the scroll down menu here, what we have available is now the microphone in at the front panel. And that would be the microphone of our headphone cable. And now we're going to check the second cable. That's the one that does not have the built-in microphone. And when we now check the drop-down menu, then we're going to miss the one option, the one that has the microphone in at the front panel. So since this cable does not come with the microphone and the built-in microphone into the headphones don't work because of the cable also, we don't have access to a microphone at this point. So in conclusion, when you want to use a wired connection with your Bluetooth headphones and you also need a functioning microphone, then you should get one of these cables and then you're good to go. Okay, so this was all it for this video. I hope you found the information helpful, and if you have any more questions or comments, then please leave a message below.